Donald and Douglas. You are grounded, 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 grounded for 999,999,999,999 episodes.
But Bill, Ben, Dad, Mom, Doug, James, Edward, and Gordon, we didn't do anything.
That's right. You are grounded for nothing.
Go to your sheds right now.
Wow.